Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I go by Vanessa Renee Slays. I'm 28 years old. I have been doing makeup for a long time, probably about 8 or 9 years. Business-wise, since we're not sure when that opening date is going to be, I figured I would utilize my time to create content for all of you. For this video, I created a little tutorial on how to achieve this look, and I hope you enjoy. I'm so excited to do this look because it is dead silent in my house right now. So my face is feeling really hydrated and just full of my natural oils. I'm gonna use the Pore Professional Primer by Benefit. And I'm just gonna put that in my T-zone area mostly. Okay. After the Pore Professional Primer, I'm going to use some of the NYX Cosmetics First Base Primer. Always put primer on your eyelids. My go-to is NYX Glitter Primer. After priming my lids with the NYX Glitter Eyeshadow Primer, I'll use the LA Girl Cosmetics Concealer. I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder. The first thing that catches my eye with this palette is the names of the shades. One of these browns is Cut Crease. Trendy, Inspire, this money green glitter color, so nice. I kind of feel like I have some of these shades already from other palettes, but the first shade I'm going to use is called Cut Crease. The next color I'm going to use is called Frame. Now I'm going to put concealer on my lids so I can put my lid color a little higher and have it stay in place. My lid color is a color called Vibrant. To lighten the look up and blend it a little bit more, I'm going to use a shade called Sunder. The shade I'm going to use for the outside of my eyes is called Expression. For eyeliner today, I'm going to use Betty Boop and Ipsy. So I just really struggled with my eyeliner. Okay, so now that our eyes are done, I'm gonna start on my face. And I'm just gonna put some of that concealer over my blemishes and over my scars. And for my foundation, I'm gonna use Youngblood Liquid Mineral Foundation in the shade Sunkissed. For my highlighted contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Bamboo. So now that we have done our highlighting contour, we're going to do our bronzing contour. That's going to be with the Mocha Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio collection. And now we're going to blend. After we blend in our contour, you want to put your setting powder in your highlighting areas. I'm going to use the Cinema Secret setting powder, and that's in the shade Soft Custard. I think I just got it in my eye. And while we're baking, we can do our brows. I'm going to use the NYX Micro Pencil in the shade Brunette. Now that our brows are done, we can put some setting powder in the inner corners of them to lighten them just a tad. And we can do our bronzer powder. I'm gonna start with the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Rich Amber. And now I'm gonna blend up with the Smashbox bronzer. In that same contour palette by Smashbox, there is a highlighter, and it's a lighter color powder. Dab it in, and we're just gonna go over the setting powder in our highlighted areas. And now we're going to contour our nose with the lighter bronzer of the palette. And now the nose is snatched. So for highlighter, I'm gonna go with the Star Blazer highlighter palette from Morphe. I used one of them in my last video and I ended up loving it. The shade I'm gonna use is on the golder side. It's very warm. It's called Shooting Star. And before we put highlighter in the inner corners of our eyes, we need to do eyeshadow under our eyes. I'm gonna go back to the Dare to Create palette to choose a shade, and I'm gonna use the dark brown shade in Expression. And now that we put our under eye color on, we can go back to our highlighter and put the highlighter in our inner corners. Now before we move on to mascara and eyelashes, we need to set our makeup. For my setting spray, I'm going to use Cinema Secret Super Sealer. Before you apply eyelashes, you want to make sure you do one very thin coat of mascara. The eyelashes I'm using today are by Morphe and they're in Seductress. I just trimmed the first eyelash. Upgrades the look a lot. I haven't worn eyelash strips in so long. Oh my god, I've been doing like all my looks without them. So this is like, whoa. You can apply another coat of mascara. We can apply mascara to the bottom. The lip combo I'm going with today is Morphe's Flame. and Rimmel London's 1000 Kisses Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content and stay up to date on my latest, hit that subscribe button. Bye!